Hi, Troy.
Hi, Daddy.
What do you got there?
I got the RC Jeep.
Oh, you got an RC Jeep?
Yeah, RC Jeep.
Oh, wow. You want to break it open and show everyone what's inside?
Yay!
All right, let's go.
Yay! Okay.
Oh, this looks like the remote control.
Yeah.
Hold on to that. Whoa.
Wow.
Trash.
Whoa. The remote control. Whoa. Whoa. Master.
Break it apart like a monster.
Yeah. It's just like a gaga.
They package this thing real good. Now we gotta unscrew these at the bottom. And there it comes off. There goes one.
Whoa! It's in it on.
Alright, so here we have our truck. As you can see, guys, it's a sweet, cool RC Jeep Wrangler. And we love Jeeps. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get batteries into this guy. See, we got a battery slot right here. And this one also takes AA batteries. So gonna get batteries into the remote control and then batteries into the truck. Switch to turn it on, and then we'll take it to the mud park and we'll do magic with this thing because it's really cool. You ready to have some fun with it, Troy?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Go get some batteries. Daddy, I'm chasing you to the truck. Uh-oh, I got stuck in the rain now. It looks like it's snowing for the village. Okay. try again. I'm gonna try again, Daddy. You try again for me. Try again for me. Woo! That's it. That goes the first. I will get it, I will get it, I will get it, I will get it. I get to go over. I can't go back there. I go the first. I can just try again, Daddy. Try it with the snow. Big snow, big. Daddy, with the truck. Daddy, with the monster truck. Daddy, with the truck go, Daddy.